Hey everyone, Eli with Lightning Carpet Care. I'm just doing a video on our new tool that we just received today. We got it from Eric Hiltz from Zipper, and I ordered a 10-inch CRB. So it's a great tool that we added to our equipment here for any carpet cleaning. So if you get a chance to just ponder with me, because I'm opening it up. It's like a kid in a candy shop getting one of these. Let me get this here. Of course, so we got the handles. What else we got here? Oh, we got the trays. Of course, renovators. What else we got here? Oh, this is wrapped up really nice. Of course, who needs instructions, right? Alright. So this is one of our tools that we added. Of course, I'll be taking this off. And as everyone can see, Zipper. So shout out to you guys, because you guys are awesome. Great tool that we'll be adding to our carpet cleaning. And yeah, so we're going to be testing this out. I'll be doing another video on our carpet cleaning. Actually, I'm going to be testing this in my own house. We're going to do a little encapsulation to see how that turns out. So hope to get great results, and see you soon.